Now I'll operate this AC. AC startup and shutdown. Ogeneral. This is our Ogeneral remote. And see, shutdown, startup. What happened? It got started. It takes time to start. And the temperature is 24. Let me do it on 35. 25. And I forgot to show you this shutdown startup. I will start. See? An outer one. Outer part I will show you tomorrow, because at night there are so many moth insects. It will come in our house. Moth insect will come in our house. That's why I will show you the outer part tomorrow. See, Ogeneral AC. It is so cool. It is cooling till here. And let me show you how much far the AC goes. Which brand? Media, Carrier, Blue Star, Daikin, Samsung, LG. One company I forgot. One. Chroma. I forgot Chroma. When I was showing you the AC, I forgot Chroma. Voltas, Hitachi, Panasonic, and Ogeneral. See, this is Havel's fan. Woohoo! Boo!